Mastering hypotheticals, expressing possibility and impossibility. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our video series on conversational English. Today, we're focusing on a fascinating aspect of hypothetical questions, expressing possibility and impossibility. This topic can elevate your English conversations, making you sound more natural and fluent. Let's dive in. Hypothetical questions are questions that talk about imaginary or unreal situations. They often use modal verbs such as would, could, should, or might. For example, what would you do if you won the lottery? In our discussion today, we're going to focus on how to answer these questions by expressing possibility and impossibility. When answering hypothetical questions, we often express the likelihood of something happening. To express possibility, we often use phrases such as could, might, may, would, probably, and it's possible that. Let's take a look at some examples. Question: what would you do if you found a lost wallet? Answer: I might return it to the local police station. Answer: it's possible that I would try to find the owner myself. In contrast, we express impossibility when we think something is unlikely or simply cannot happen. To express impossibility, we often use phrases like couldn't, wouldn't, it's impossible that, or there's no way. Here are some examples. Question: what would you do if you could fly? Answer: I couldn't go to work anymore because I'd be too busy exploring the world. Answer: there's no way I would ever stay indoors again. Now let's practice with a few hypothetical scenarios. Pause the video after each question and try to form your answers, using expressions of possibility and impossibility. 1. What would you do if you became president for a day? 2. What might happen if humans could live forever? 3. How would your life change if you could teleport anywhere? Remember, there's no right or wrong answer, and everyone's responses will be different. The key is to practice using these phrases to express possibility and impossibility. Well, that wraps up our lesson on expressing possibility and impossibility in response to hypothetical questions. We hope this video helped you understand and practice this concept. Keep practicing, and remember, expressing hypotheticals is a fantastic way to make your English conversations more engaging and natural. Until next time, happy learning!